KTM's flagship race car RC8 has been out of production for many years, and only the RC390 remained in the RC series. It was developed by the joint efforts of Krämer Motorcycles and the KTM Factory Racing team to achieve full track performance at all times, to offer amateur riders a riding experience closer to MotoGP without the need for large personnel and financial expenditures, and to enjoy the technology from its competitors. The core engine technology comes from the 899 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine of the 890 Duke A with 126 maximum horsepower and 101 Nm maximum torque. Throttle response has been improved with a new intake manifold and a brand new exhaust tail section. The frame is based on the MotoGP race car RC16 and is an improved and adapted chrome-molybdenum alloy steel tube frame that combines rigidity, road-holding performance and extremely lightweight. It also uses the same design as some race cars and can fine-tune the geometry. In addition, the equipment includes Dimag Up 7X forged aluminum wheels, Pirelli Diablo Superbike Slicks factory-equipped slick tires, fully adjustable WP Apex Pro 7543 and 7746 front and rear suspension systems, Brembo full car brakes and a 19 RCS Corsa master cylinder. It can be said that the RC8C is the closest commercially available sports car to the RC16 in terms of equipment. In terms of electronic control, the AIM MXS 1.2 race computer can be connected to a computer via the 5-inch instrument display to adjust more data.